Get ready to master prepositions with stunning visuals. Learning is easier when you can see it in action. In this video, you'll not only learn prepositions but also understand how to use them in real-life sentences effortlessly. Stay with me till the end, and I promise you'll never forget these prepositions again. Let's dive in.
She is curious about science.
She is curious about science.
His performance was above average.
His performance was above average.
The team played against a strong opponent.
The team played against a strong opponent.
She worked alongside her colleague.
She worked alongside her colleague.
The house stood amid the trees.
The house stood amid the trees.
He was among the top students.
He was among the top students.
Apart from apples, I like bananas.
Apart from apples, I like bananas.
He works as a teacher.
He works as a teacher.
Aside from studying, he enjoys painting.
Aside from studying, he enjoys painting.
The cat sat atop the fence.
The cat sat atop the fence.
Barring rain, we will go hiking.
Barring rain, we will go hiking.
We met before the event.
We met before the event.
The keys are beneath the books.
The keys are beneath the books.
Besides coffee, I like tea.
Besides coffee, I like tea.
The river flows beyond the village.
The river flows beyond the village.
Everyone came but John.
Everyone came but John.
I have a question concerning your project.
I have a question concerning your project.
Despite the rain, they played outside.
Despite the rain, they played outside.
Everyone passed except Tom.
Everyone passed except Tom.
The price is $10, excluding tax.
The price is $10, excluding tax.
Following the meeting, we had lunch.
Following the meeting, we had lunch.
The gift is inside of the box.
The gift is inside of the box.
We went to the beach instead of the park.
We went to the beach instead of the park.
She sings like a professional.
She sings like a professional.
The bill was $20 minus the discount.
The bill was $20 minus the discount.
Notwithstanding the challenges, he succeeded.
Notwithstanding the challenges, he succeeded.
The book fell off the shelf.
The book fell off the shelf.
The cat jumped onto the table.
The cat jumped onto the table.
The restaurant is opposite the bank.
The restaurant is opposite the bank.
He ran out the door.
He ran out the door.
She waited outside the building.
She waited outside the building.
The flight was delayed owing to bad weather.
The flight was delayed owing to bad weather.
The tickets cost $5 per person.
The tickets cost $5 per person.
The meal comes with a drink plus dessert.
The meal comes with a drink plus dessert.
I have a question regarding your order.
I have a question regarding your order.
We walked round the park.
We walked round the park.
Save for John, everyone was present.
Save for John, everyone was present.
She is taller than her brother.
She is taller than her brother.
It rained throughout the day.
It rained throughout the day.
She walked towards the school.
She walked towards the school.
The shoes are underneath the table.
The shoes are underneath the table.
Unlike his brother, he is quiet.
Unlike his brother, he is quiet.
We waited until sunset.
We waited until sunset.
The book was placed upon the table.
The book was placed upon the table.
It was Team A versus Team B.
It was Team A versus Team B.
We traveled via London.
We traveled via London.
The package will arrive within a week.
The package will arrive within a week.
She left without saying goodbye.
She left without saying goodbye.
She was nervous according to the teacher.
She was nervous according to the teacher.
The team won ahead of their rivals.
The team won ahead of their rivals.
Great job! You've just mastered prepositions, one step closer to fluency. Keep up the momentum and join me again tomorrow for the next lesson. Trust me, you don't want to miss it. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like, share, and subscribe so you never miss an update. See you in the next class.